Hi, welcome back to Mr. Silver's Math. Today we're going to talk about discount. You're going to be able to determine the discount of a purchase. So the warm-up is getting us ready to take those percents and turn them into decimals, just like we did the other day with taxes. So here we go. Gordon is purchasing some pants from Kohl's. He has a 20% off coupon. How much will he have to pay, excluding tax? So first we have to find the discount. And right here in red, I told you how we are going from 20% to 0.2. We're taking the percent, dividing by 100, and that's what we're going to multiply our amount by. So that's going to give us 8.998 or $9. So our discount's going to be $9. But we are trying to find the cost with the discount. So we're going to take the price, the original price of the item, which is $44.99, and we're going to subtract our discount of $9. So Gordon is going to pay $35.99. Kelly went shopping at Target. Her subtotal was $321.95. So a subtotal just means how much you're paying before taxes. She used her red card and saved 5% off this amount. What did she pay before taxes were included? So here's what she had was her subtotal, and then we took our 5%, we turned it into a decimal. We took 5 divided by 100. We got 0.05. When we multiplied those two together, we got her discount of $16.10. So we are going to subtract $16.10 from her subtotal. So before taxes, Kelly is going to pay $305.85. Example 3 is another one, but this time it's talking about popcorn sales and drink combos and movie tickets if you show your ID. And then example 4 is asking you to identify whether it's a tax question or a discount question, and then find how much that person has to pay. So Gil went to the store and had a subtotal of $103.74. So once again, a subtotal means the cost before taxes. If tax was 7.25%, how much did he pay in total for his items? Now right there in the problem it says tax. So we are going to circle tax because it's a tax problem. So we're going to take his subtotal and we're going to multiply it by 0.0725. I took that percent and I divided by 100. So tax is going to be $7.52. Since it is tax, I'm going to add it to my subtotal. So I add my two numbers and I get $111.26. Letter B is saying Jenna signed up for a new credit card and received 35% off her subtotal at Home and Harvest. Before she opened the new credit card, she was going to have to pay $93.24. So it's saying that she's receiving 35% off of her subtotal. So that means that's a discount. So we're going to turn that 35% into a decimal by dividing it by 100. We're going to multiply that by her subtotal. So her discount's going to be $32.63. So because it's a discount, we are going to subtract our two numbers. So Jen is going to have to pay $60.61 before taxes. And then example 5. Paige is shopping for appliances. She finds some dented and scratched appliances from Sherman's for $12.99 plus 7.25% tax. However, her husband wants new appliances. He finds appliances that are brand new for $2,000, tax included, plus 30% off. Who's got the better buy? Which one's the better deal? I mean, first glance, it looks like this one's going to be the better deal, but I don't know. This one is 30% off. Okay, so we're going to do the math to figure out which one really is the better buy. So we're going to take our cost times our percent, and we get our tax. Because it's a tax, we are going to add the two numbers together. So $12.99 plus $94.18 gives us $1,393.18. On the other side, the husband has $2,000 with tax, and we get 30% off. So we have 2,000 times 0.3. 0.3 is that decimal of 30%, and that discount is $600. So Paige's husband would pay $1,400. So these are pretty close in cost. Difference is roughly $7. Okay, but this one is the better deal. It's a little bit cheaper. So when you are doing discount, you are subtracting from your subtotal. And remember,